Soils of India. What is soil? Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth. It is one of the most important natural resources. Importance of soil. Soil forms the basis of agriculture. Without soil, no plant can be grown. All living beings, directly or indirectly, depend on soil. In villages, people build houses, pots, etc. using soil. Formation of soil. Weathering of rocks occurs due to heat, wind and flowing water breaks down the rocks into small pieces. These small pieces break down further to form tiny particles of soil. Wind, rain, rivers carry the soil to different places. Remains of dead plants and animals mix with the soil. The formation of soil is a very slow process. It takes thousands of years to make a layer of soil just 1 centimeter thick. Types of soil. Since India has different landforms, it possesses different kinds of soil. Alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil and desert soil. Alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is the most fertile soil. It is made up of fine silt deposited by rivers. It is found in the northern plains and in the deltas of eastern coastal plains. It is good for growing variety of crops like wheat, rice, pulses, oilseeds, jute, fruits and vegetables. Black soil. Black soil is made of volcanic lava. It gets its black color due to the presence of lime and iron. It is found in the northwestern parts of Deccan Plateau. Black soil is good for growing cotton and sugarcane. Red soil. Red soil gets its red color due to the presence of iron. It is found in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and parts of Andhra Pradesh. It is not as fertile as alluvial or black soil. Millets, groundnuts, pulses, coffee, tea and rubber are grown in this soil. Laterite soil. Laterite soil gets its red color due to the presence of iron and aluminium. It is found in the Western Ghats, parts of Tamil Nadu and scattered in other regions. It is good for crops like tea, coffee, spices, coconut and rubber. Mountain soil. Mountain soil is very rich in organic matter and humus. Humus is the remains of dead plant and animals. It is found in the Himalayan region and in the hilly areas of Assam, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. It is good for raising fruit orchards. Desert soil. Desert soil is primarily made up of sand particles and it is very poor in nitrogen and humus. It is found in the desert of Rajasthan, Gujarat and Punjab. If irrigated properly, it can produce crops such as wheat, gram, cotton, jowar, etc. Soil erosion. Sometimes natural forces such as wind, water carry away the top fertile soil. This is called soil erosion. Soil erosion makes the soil infertile and barren. Human beings cut trees for fuels and to build farms, cities, houses, roads, etc. This is called deforestation, which causes soil erosion. We must take appropriate measures to stop soil erosion. We should not allow anyone to cut down trees. We should grow more trees as the trees hold soil particles together. In hilly areas, terrace farming should be promoted as terraces do not allow the water run straight down with speed. Dams, bunds, reservoirs, embankments should be built across rivers to control the speed of running water. Thank you for watching.